and this video is going to be a tutorial combination with a voiceover and also some text dialogue to also explain certain items that I'm using. And as you can see, for the beginning of this drawing, I'm using a very light HB mechanical pencil just to kind of get an idea of where everything is going to be. And the reason I do this is that we can easily erase anything that we don't need later on. And as for the second section, I went in with a 2B pencil so that I can add in the medium to dark tones, which I started by her iconic eyebrows and drawing it in small lines, and also adding in the detail into the iris, eyelids, and eyelashes, but still not going in so heavy where I cannot erase later on if we do need to. And this is going to actually help us make sure that the proportions are correct, especially when drawing portraits. We need to make sure the eyes align, and I'm using actually a ruler right here, which actually can help us determine the lines underneath the eyes. Now for this next part, I decided to start off with the hair because I was pretty confident that I had the eyes, nose, and mouth aligned just the way that I wanted, and I'm still not going to go in as dark as I need to because I might need to erase later on. But yeah, I'm continuing with adding the hair and kind of determining the values I'm going to need, which is actually going to be pretty dark, especially with her black hair, the bow, and this is going to also help in determine the head shape as well. Now for this next step, I'm going to be blocking in the tones, and what I mean by that is we're going to almost shape in where the shadows will be hitting her face, whether it's very dark, light, or medium. And what we're doing here is we are revealing where the light source is coming from, and that will be determined by the reference photos that I have or what you have when you're drawing. So in this one, we're going to see where the light highlights are hitting the face, which it looks like it's coming in from the front and the top left. As you can see, I'm also going in with various stumps to also help in lightly put in all of those tones that I'm going to use for her face, and also a blending brush. It's a very simple everyday painting brush that you can use with very soft bristles, which will also help in getting in all of those tones and highlights. And for the remainder of this video, what you're going to see is me going back in with a very dark pencil to add in those contact shadows, very dark shadows, with using a number 7 pencil, 7B, 6B, 5B pencils, and this is gonna help us add in the very dark values and also help bring out the lights as well, and also going in for more details, adding in more hair details in the eyes, the nose, the ears, any kind of contact shadows, bright highlights as well. And this obviously is going to take lots of hours, and that's why I made this time-lapse video right here. But yeah, if you did enjoy this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and see you later. Bye.